This is my buddy CJ's Nissan hardbody. Now this thing needs some serious love, like removing all of these 20-year-old stickers and swapping in a new motor, because right now it runs like this. Yeah, not good. So, we decided to challenge ourselves to do a complete engine swap in 48 hours. So the first thing on our to-do list was to load it up on the trailer. Yo, somebody give this phone number a call. And haul the truck down to Calvin's shop. And after dropping the truck and trailer off at Calvin's house, we decided to change whips so that we could head to Edmonton to go get our new motor. Let's go! Now after waiting at Buddy's house for literally an hour and a half, we finally secured what we came for. Loaded up in the back. This is the same engine that CJ has in his truck right now, so this will be an easy swap. After the long drive back to the shop, we were finally ready to get this challenge started. So we unloaded the engine, and next was the truck. Here we go. Looking through the camera. Hey, got it. With the sketchy unload out of the way, we were finally set to push the truck in and get to work. All right. We got the hardbody in the shop. Going at it. We have done everything in our power to try and save this motor, but it's shot. It's no good. We done head gasket, timing, water pump, everything, but yet somehow it still seems to be burning coolant or something. It ain't no good. So we picked up this thing, right? This freshie. It's still got 220,000 kilometers on it, but it's better than this one. This one has 350,000. So now we're prepping to pull this motor out. I was in here, I deleted all the EGR stuff. We don't need that. That's all just horsepower robbing garbage. Yeah. CJ's under there, he's disconnecting the transmission. See if we can get a zoom in. Hell yeah. And after staring at the engine bay for a while, we figured we should probably just,
I don't know, figure it out.
all right, let's get this thing out of here. Oh, I don't know what that was. Let's get it. No.
Okay, out a bit.
That felt good.
Oh my god, that chain's on there by nothing.
It's on there by hopes and dreams. It's coming out! Caught in 4K. All right, so we got like halfway, and the alternator is still connected. So we're just gonna give up and go have some burgies, cause yeah, screw that. Hell yeah, eating good. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we got the motor out. It's looking empty in here. With the blown motor out, we can finally finish deleting all the EGR by fabbing up some block-off plates and plugging the holes in the exhaust. Now with that out of the way, it was finally time to go back in. Motor's going back in.
Real locking in.
Lock it in right now. That's what we're doing. Well, we were up late last night getting this engine in and plugging away a few hours this morning, trying to get everything buttoned up. We're just about there, taking a quick dog break.
Cool guys don't look at explosions.
I don't think it needs any of that.
I could use it.
Yo, let's go.
chime in the
Dude, we got the chime. Let's go. Hit it again.
Yeah.
Fuck. Attempt number 3. Third time's a charm. The pose. Yo! Yo! Blow by? No by.
There is a little there.
There's a little bit of blow by, but that's okay. They're supposed to be, right?
That's way less than Cole's massive.
Dude, that run's good. That's smooth. Let's go.
I don't deserve the high fives as much, but alright, fuck yeah.
Oh, I was gonna rev it.
Don't fucking question my welding abilities, man.
Almost sounds like it's misfiring a little bit. Oh, this injector isn't plugged in. Yo, watch this shit. You ready? Wow, I fixed. There we go. That's way better.
Oh man.
That runs really good. With the engine running good, we had to take it outside and whip it around the block just to make sure that everything was still solid. Window cleaning! Hell yeah, running good! Let's go! Bro's gonna hate you.
Dude, no turn streets.
Oh yeah, we need to put fluid in there. Yeah. We should have done that before.
Oh my god.
Oh, bro's got no rear lights. Dude!
Drives like butter, dude.
Hell yeah, this is smooth. Oh, she's preppy too. Dude, let's go!
I miss driving my own vehicle.
Yes, dude.
God damn it.
Yeah! Yeah! And just like that, we had completed our challenge of getting this truck running and driving within 48 hours. So you know, there was only one more thing left to do.
Are you looking at me like that, Brett?